Hi everyone, good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing well at home and completing your work on time. We have conveyed the message many times to the students that once you are done with your work, please send the clicks to your concerned subject teachers. And some are sending the work on time, but still some are not doing. So I request to all the students, as you are done with your work, please send the PDFs to your concerned teachers so that it would be easy for us and for you as well. Okay. Okay, so now let's move on towards our today's lesson. It's 22 from your English grammar, and in which we are going to study interjections. So, what are interjections? Let me explain first. Uh, an interjection is a word or phrase that is grammatically independent from the words around it, and mainly it expresses feelings rather than the meaning. Interjection, you know very well, it's a part of speech, right? So interjections जो होती हैं वो हमारे words होते हैं basically, those words which express feelings, जो हमारी strong feelings को express करते हैं. See, interjection are words and phrases which help us to express आर सडन एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स. इंटरजेक्शन वो वर्ड्स होते हैं जो हमारी फीलिंग्स को सडनली, जो हमारी स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग्स होती हैं उनको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं, सच एज जॉय, पेन, अटेंशन एंड सोरो. एन इंटरजेक्शन वर्ड इज़ फॉलोड बाय एन एक्सक्लामेशन मार्क. और इंटरजेक्शन वर्ड्स के पीछे हम किसका यूज़ करते हैं? एक्सक्लामेशन मार्क्स का. यूजिंग सच वर्ड्स हेलो, वाओ, थैंक्स. सो दीज वर्ड्स means this hello word, we can say it's a interjection. ये क्या है? It's an interjection. Okay, so hello, wow, these words are called interjections. Now look at the given sentences. Ha ha ha, this joke is so funny. So see, the word ha ha here, it is acting as इंटरजेक्शन बिकॉज इट्स शोइंग आर जॉय. ये हमारा जॉय शो कर रहा है. दिस जोक इज सो फनी. बाय गॉड, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग अ लाई. सो हेयर वी आर एक्सप्रेसिंग समथिंग in a surprising manner. Bravo, we won the match. So here we are showing our happiness. Ah, we lost the match. So here we are full of sorrow. Thanks, Atsa. It was a big help. Excellent. Very well done. How sad. She lost her husband. Hello, I'm talking to you. Ouch. It's ouch, not quit. This headache. Next. Shh. They will see us. Wow, beautiful ring. How arrogant he is. Shh, the baby, wake up. Be aware, there is a dog inside. What a lovely view. How sweet of you. Well done. Congratulations, congrats. Goodbye. Happy New Year. So, see, these were the examples of interjections. So have you seen my expressions, my tone, my pitch of the voice while I was speaking, and what was my tone and my pitch when I was speaking all the sentences बोलते हुए आपने मेरी pitch चेक की होगी. कहीं पे वो लो थी, कहीं पे वो हाई थी. Somewhere I was happy, somewhere I was in pain, somewhere I was very much attentive, right? So this is इंटरजेक्शन. ओके, इंटरजेक्शंस वो वर्ड होती हैं जो हम अकॉर्डिंगली यूज़ करती हैं. बेसिकली ये जो वर्ड्स हमारे होते हैं ये इंटरजेक्शंस होती हैं. ओके, now fill in the blanks with suitable interjections given below. So see, here we have some interjections in the box and we have the fill-ups. So you have to put the right one in the given blanks. Okay, so do this exercise yourself to clear this topic in a better way. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.